Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, kule video manje ngifisa sikhulume ngobudlelwane obukhona phakathi kukaFloyd Shivambu kanye noJulius Malema. Siyazi laba ababili bangabanye babasunguli beqembu le-EFF. Okuthemva kweminyaka ewu10 lisunguliwe iqembu. uFloyd Shivambu washiya wayojoyina umkhonto wesizwe party. Akubanga kuhleke lokho kuJulius Malema. Okulandele ngokuthi athi inhloso enkulu ye-MK Party ukubulala i-EFF. Ngoba nakho isithatha ama-leaders wayo. Uze waze wathi kwenye video isitha sabe esikhulu i-MK Party. Bona njenge-EFF isitha sabe esikhulu i-MK Party.
You can say all you want to say about Mbalula, and that's what I must give you a tip about him. The guy never lies. So he tells the truth. Mara unattacked, so he tells it not in a tactful way. So that's what gets him into trouble. But at the end of the day, that is the truth.
Njengoba i-ANC beyine-media briefing, uMbalula ukhulume ngalobudlelano phakathi kwalaba ababili. Ngizomcaphuna-ke ekhuluma ngobudlelano phakathi kukaFloyd Shivambu kanye no-CIC uJulius Malema. Kodwa futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi uma uyibuka le video uyikhumbule le ngiyifake lapho uthi wathi uJulius uMbalula akawaqamba manga cela uzwe la.
No, for instance, let me give you an example. EFF and its leader, they make a lot of noise. They don't love the DA and all of that and so on. The ANC went to them and said that, okay, fine, you don't agree with VAT, abstain. What did they do? They voted. With who? The DA. If Malema and his party had the majority that we have, do you think that they will be working with the ANC? They won't. He hates the ANC with passion. Him and Floyd combined. I don't know why they are fighting. I think that's a movie we're being subjected to. That fight of Floyd and Julius, it's not real. That thing is just a movie. It's fiction. These are buddies. So Floyd has been sent to go and manage JZ and that MK Party and Dalimpof. So it's a big fiction, my brother. These people are buddies like this. They are together. So they say they want to remove the ANC surgically, including working with the DA. They want to remove us from power. Both of them.
The guy never lies.
Njengoba umzulu uMbaxi la ethi uFloyd noJulius ngabangani. Labantu laba abaxabene shuthi lento abayenzayo ba pretenda imovie nje. Le abayenzayo ba pretend ngokusho ke kukaMbaxi. Sizodlala ivideo manje kaJulius ekhuluma over the weekend. Kunento ayishilo 18 uFloyd noNdlozi. Bese siphinde sicaphuna ivideo kaFloyd la abambuze khona ukuthi iEFF mani ibuka nithatha kanjani ngoba phela iEFF yaphumela obala yanithatha yathi nini nithatha njengezitha zayo. Nina-ke njengomkhonto wesizwe party niyithatha kanjani. Sizocaphuna lawo ma-video bese sikuyekela ukuthi utshele mina ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngabe bayizitha noma akabazona izitha na. Ilokho nje ngifuna ukwazi. Uthi uMbalula la uFloyd uthunyela ukuthi akayo manager benoDalimpof abayo manager uJacob Zuma lapha ku-MK. Kusho ke uMbalula. Kodwa umuntu omazi uMbalula uthe the guy never lies. Usho ukuthi uMbalula akawaqamba ma. Ngizokhuluma ngalento akhuluma ngayo la ethi ukube bekufuneka ba-abstain endabeni yebudget. Ngizoyichaza le ukuthi kungani benga-abstainanga bakhetha ukuvota. Not to say futhi bavote ne-DA. Ukuthi bakhetha ukuvota and bavote against i-budget. Ngizoyichaza kule video engenithembise yona ngathi izoba upart 2 wale video siyikhiphe namuhla ekseni. Okwamanje kodwa ngisakhuluma ngobudlala laba ababili. Ngicela uzwe la.
Leskata la tsamamo le phupurua le disruptor di branch tja EFF le nyaka go bolla sekgowa karani yo le tlo le koba la tsamale apa ka sekgowa mo le re no entanglement ra re to edimela le nata le bereka di radio station re plus o ka re ba hira kwa moletši radio station le ta ona mo. What is going to keep you disciplined here? What is going to keep you a member here is discipline. There is nothing that can build this organization except discipline. And we must all be disciplined and don't be part of any disruption. We are going to sub-regional conferences now. We are going to walk into those halls. We are going to be wearing discipline. Everything we do, we don't do it for ourselves. We do it for the poor of the poorest. Everything we do it for students at the university and at TVET. Everything we do it for all SASSA beneficiaries. When those mothers who are hoping that today they are going to get an RDP house, they've been waiting for the RDP house for too long. Today they see the EFF and they say, finally, something is going to happen. You destroy that organization which must give that mother an RDP house. Comrades, the ANC is going to die a natural death. Lankebe EFF se gona ANC be tlono khwa yalo re na le matlhatsi re exista ka nako ANC khwang e nyaka re ANC khwa re na re emelele e be re na re tšea mmušo re leaders tšhaba sa Africa. So fighters, let's go and talk to all the fighters. Let's protect our organization. Today, they say all manner of things, but they forget that they failed to kill this organization. They wanted to kill this organization. We defended this organization. We did everything in our power that this organization remains united. This organization grows bigger. This organization continues to represent the hopeless masses of our people. Let them talk. Some of them have joined regional parties. Some of them are useless. Mara eregele bochentongwe. Auna mutwaka tamamo EFF. Achola pelachi ya butsi. Leba lebelele. Abas no tamamo EFF. Una lentongwa ukarai. Ukarba betile kele chomon. So alura unyaku hafa namo EFF.
Njengoba umuzwa ku CIC ethi abanye bebefuna ukubulala iEFF kodwa abahlulekile iEFF iyakhula kakhulu. Uthi manje uyababona ukuthi baphela umhlaba futhi uyababona ngathi abasaphilanga nasemakhanda. Uthi mawufuna ukuphila kahle ekhanda ungaphumi kuEFF ngoba mawuphuma kuEFF ubonakala kube sengathi uyasangana nasekhanda. Kusho usho njalo ke uCIC la. Okunye akushoyo uthi uma ungena discipline bazokuxosha la kuEFF. Uhamba uvele ema TV ukhuluma isilungu uthi entanglement. Sebekuxoshile bona la ku EFF. Uthi uzobonakala usebenza kuma radio station. So siyazi ukuthi ophume ku EFF osebenza radio station uDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Siyazi ukuthi abaphumile Mosisiwe Mkhwebana, uFloyd Shivambu, uDali Mpofu baku MK party. Yibo laba athi ke ababukeka sengathi abaphilanga kahle. Uthi uJulius mongafuni nje ukusangana hlala ku EFF ngoba mawuphuma ku EFF kuba sengathi ikhanda lakhe alithathi kahle. Kodwa ke ngokusho kukaMbalula yonke lento ayishoyo is just an act. Baya pretend labantu bayazwana. Bambuzile ka bezindaba uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe Party uFloyd Shivambu ukuthi yena mabebuka iEFF bayibuka kanjani ngoba yona yathi babona njengesitha sabo. Ngicela ukucaphunela yena emveni kwakhe sesingayivala ivideo kodwa ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho mayelana nalolu daba.
I think that there was a mistaken characterization by the EFF. They once said MK is enemy number one. To realize it was a mistake characterization. It's not possible for just by the nature of your constituencies and the people and the interests and the politics that you represent. No matter how subjectivity overwhelms you, there are certain characterizations that cannot be true. No matter how you think of certain individuals in terms of their politics and posture, you have to be able to distinguish as a revolutionary between opponents, between potential strategic allies, and enemy forces. Like, despite the fact, like we know as Mkhonto Wesizwe that the ANC is largely in the hands of enemy forces now in terms of its ideological disposition. That is why they've got no problem associating with the enemy forces and forming a government with them, and giving them strategic departments of basic education, of land. But we despite the fact that we know that they are in bed with enemy forces, we didn't characterize the African National Congress as an enemy force. We said it's a contested opponent. And I would think that this is the characterization that should occur in all political parties and must happen at a much more matured political and ideological way, which is not guided by subjectivity and overwhelmed by personal dispositions and wrong view. Because if you allow that to overwhelm you, you will mischaracterize the juncture which we are in, and then you will therefore mischaracterize just what is to be done by common action of all the progressive forces.
Mawumlalela ke uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe Party uFloyd Shivambu la echaza ukuthi iyiphutha lenkulumo yashiwo uJulius Malema ngenxa yokuthi ni represent abantu laba nithi bamnyama, abantu ababecindezele ngaphambilini, nesimo sepolitiki yenu isho njalo, ama policies wena ayefana. Leyo nto nje iyenza ubone ukuthi noma kungathiwa ukuthanda kanjani ukukhothanyelwa, kodwa lawo bantu laba bakwazi ukuba izitha nawe. Yebo ningaphambana ngembono, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku ni represent abantu ababodwa. Zikhona izikhathi la kuzofuneka khona nime egameni lokuthi nimele labo bantu labo enisuke nithi niyaba represent lapha okuyibona abanivotelile. Kodwa uma uzobathatha njengesitha uzogcina ungasakwazi ukurizina, usucabangela abantu, ugcina usulwa izimpi zakho, kanti ekugcineni kosuku ni-electwe ngabantu ukuthi nibe seParliament. Yingakho ke isikole ngisibone kuyinto ebalulekile nokurizina nje ngale kulawulwa ama-emotions. Ngihlezi ngisho masikhuluma ngithi noma singakhuluma nge-DA, beke eceleni ukuthi awuyithandi, ulalele kuthiwani, ungasebenzisi imizwa. Ngeke ngaposta ivideo la wathi omunye hayi MK Party ngeke ivote ne-DA. Ngavele ngambona ukuthi awulawulwa imizwa, akazi ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani, uma kuvotwa kusuke kuvotwelani. Ya manje la into eshow uFloyd ukuthi ekuyizimo ezinje awukwazi ngathi uthi labantu sibe sirepresent abantu abamnyama ebebecindezelwe ngamumva sinama policies afanayo bese uthi wena bayizitha. Ngeke uma usuwenza njalo ulawulwa imizwa, awusalawulwa ukuthi umele ini wena njengomuntu. Yingakho ngithi isikole sibalekile. Yabona isikole, ngiyabazi bakhona abantu abangayanga esikoleni kodwa ingqondo yabehluzekile, bakhona abaningi. Kodwa nje banase isikole ngokwempilo. Ukhona ke umuntu oyile esikoleni kodwa engqondweni akavuthiwe. Kodwa nje into eshiwo uFloyd leyo. Umzwile uMbaksi uthe labantu babili abazona izitha. Futhi uze ukubeka kucace umbalelo ukuthi iANC ibamsene nezitha. Kodwa ngeke bona bayithatha iANC njengesitha, bazoyithatha njenge-opponent yabo, hayi njengesitha. Ngoba ekugcineni kosuku iANC ngabantu abamnyama, bakhona abantu abamnyama abayivotele iANC la besithi ekuthiwa bamelwe, ngoba uma kuseParliament kuthathwa iy'nqumo ezizobe zi-affect abantu bonke. Akungakhathalekile ukuthi bavotele bani. Ngiyacela ukuyibamba la ngizwe ukuphawula kwakho. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, share, ukulike nokucomment. Ungayijoyina ne-membership yale channel. Kunojoin nje lapha esandleni sakho sokudla. Phansi lapho ungajoyina i-membership, iqala nje ku-R20 ngenyanga. Angibona abantu abajoyini funa ngikhuphule ibe u-R40 ngenyanga, mhlawumbe abone imali encane. Ngiyabazi ke abantu, uma imali encane bavele babone ukuthi into ngathi ayihambi kahle, ngizoyikhuphula seyizoqala ku-R40 ngenyanga i-membership. Kanti ke i-membership izolekelela kakhulu i-channel ukuthi ikhule, kube khona nathi esikwaziyo ukukuhlanganisa. Nabantu ke imibono yabo esiyithatha kakhulu ilabo abacontributayo abangama membership. Ngiyabonga.